Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. So how are you doing? So I am back again with another video today to show you how long my hair is. I told you in my last video, my hair video, that I will be showing you how short my hair is and for you to know what I have started working with. Okay, so I've used the cornrows and this is the length of my hair. This is the length of my hair. I need to trim the hair because the ends, they're weak, look. So I still need to do some trimming. To trim. See what this side gives. I don't know how possible it is to see the back. So that is it. I just finished losing the cornrows with oil. I damped my hair with oil and water before losing the hair. And after that, I used this cream, Sun Silk. Okay, it helps to soften the hair. Yeah. Because my hair is 4C and very kinky, very hard to manage. This is texturized hair. It's no longer natural hair, okay? But it still feels so natural. Even after texturizing the hair, immediately it's like, it would be as if I didn't do anything to the hair. The texture remains natural. That's to tell you how hard this hair is to manage. And that was the reason why I even considered texturizing and relaxing it in the first place. It's very hard to manage. But all the same, having considered the relaxer, I still consider to have not really natural hair, but let me just be in between. Texturizing the hair is better for me than relaxing it. Even while the hair was relaxed, it doesn't still feel like relaxed hair. My hair can't really relax. I used to see people when they relax their hair, the hair will be relaxed, like defined, relaxed. But mine has never been that. For I remember about 7 years ago or so, I was relaxing my hair. It has never looked relaxed or feels relaxed. After that, I started growing my hair naturally, which was really, really fun to feel. I must confess, the feeling is amazing. But here I am back with texturized hair, and I want to maintain this texture in my hair. So, what do you think? Do you think that I should have left my hair untouched? I mean, natural 4C hair. Or did I do right by texturizing the hair? Which is less harder, honestly. Is not as kinky as it used to be when it was natural. Okay, so can you hear that sound? Oh my God. Chakam, chakam, woo. So this is what I am working with. Like I said earlier, I want to give my hair some attention and see if it will start growing, because I can't really see the growth. No, this hair is like 3 years old. 3 years old hair. I remember when I was growing my natural hair, 3 years was longer than this. Yeah. So I want to see if the reason why the hair has been tunted is because I have not been giving it some nutrients it needs, or it's just age and allow it to do its things. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. Yeah. My God. So let me not make this hair video longer than this. I'll see you in my next one, and do not forget to leave me with a comment so that I will know what you feel about this hair. Okay, and if you're seeing my face for the first time and you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, and let me know what your thoughts are at the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. As always, thanks for watching. Bye. Ciao, ciao.